I've been up pretty early today, so yeah, I don't actually know what is going on, what the time is, but I just checked, it's 10, still morning. I thought today we can try to clean up / organize my closet space, because I've been putting this off for a while. I mean, it's not like much organizing initially, but it's more of like putting things away and just tidying things up and putting things back in their place, because some of the stuff is just like dumped on the floor. And yeah, and I love watching videos of like people cleaning up and like organizing, so I thought that I would do that. So yeah, I will show you guys the state of this room. I do apologize because it's not great. It's not the worst that it's been in, but it's also, yeah, not great. Also, if you hear that noise in the background, I'm currently having my garden redone. So I'm also going to show you guys at the end what it is currently looking like. It's not fully finished yet, but I'll give you guys a sneak peek. But yeah, okay, let me just show you guys this space. Yeah, this is the current space. It's a tip. I've got like a bunch of packages here and some clothes I think that I've just plopped here that I need to sort out, some rubbish, some other stuff. I've dumped a bunch of stuff here as well. I need to take that back to New Look and return it. But yeah, like just the whole of this area is like a little bit messy. Got Dexter over there, he's just chilling. There's usually his corner. He'll either like go there or like in the sunspot. And yeah, like need to sort out this situation with my sunglasses, putting some stuff away and all that stuff. Like, it's not like a big job, but it just needs to be done. And this is actually what I am wearing to Ascot on Saturday. I'm going with Peroni to shoot some really cool content, and yeah, I ordered a bunch of dresses and I didn't like any of them, so I just went for like a really beautiful white pinstripe linen suit. And I'm actually gonna wear like this hat with it that I've had for years and I haven't worn in ages. It's from Lack of Colours and I absolutely love it. Not really sure if I'm gonna tackle this bit today. I might do, I might not. It's just, yeah, kind of more tidying this space, and then I'm still trying to figure out what to do with this. This is kind of like a dumping ground for some random stuff at the moment. I actually might go into town later and try to find like some boxes and organisers so I can put some beauty stuff in, because I feel like this is such a waste of space. Like, it has a lot of potential, but I'm not really using it to the max. This situation, which is all of my beauty storage, I am thinking of getting rid of the bottom one, because most of the drawers are actually like broken because I've kind of overstuffed them. I'm still gonna keep this though, because the top half like has all of my makeup in, but then I might just move this to like over there where the stool is, and then just make that like my little makeup area and beauty products area. And over here I might just get like a full length mirror, because I actually don't have one in this room, so I think I might do that and kind of like just change it up a little bit. I'll probably still do my makeup here, like just, you know, whatever, but I think because this is such a waste of space at the moment, like there's products in there but I can't fit a lot because, yeah, they're just broken, and this one like doesn't even open unless I like fix it. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, maybe next month, I don't know. I'm not like in a huge rush, but I will get to that sometime. It's so freaking hot today. I would open this window, but I think it's gonna make it more noisy. Let's see. Oh no, I think that's okay. Right, I'm just gonna do my skincare and kind of just make myself look a little bit more presentable, because I just feel like really hot and gross. And yeah, I just haven't really done anything. I just got up, made myself a cup of tea, had some toast, watched the new Kardashians, and then yeah, I'm trying to sort my life out today. think I'm gonna start tackling this area first. Yeah, I think I want to do that, and then I'll kind of like just move over to the beauty stuff. Ideally I'd want to have like my little organizer boxes, so yeah, maybe I'll order them on Amazon actually. That's probably easier. And then yeah, my idea is to have like this area just to be full of boxes that I've just labelled, and put like my beauty products that I haven't used yet in there. I think I think that's what I want to do. I'm not even going to tackle what's in here today, like it's too much. But yeah, let's sort out this area. Let me show you guys what this package is. I was so excited to receive this because I was meant to go to Portofino like next weekend to celebrate my friend's birthday, but unfortunately Ollie couldn't get that time off work, so we're not going anymore. But Away gifted me this really beautiful travel set, and I cannot wait to use it when I do next go away. So I thought I would show you guys what I got. I'm trying to figure out how to open this. With this one. All of my luggage is just very plain. I either have it in black or silver or like navy, and I wanted something a little bit more fun, especially for the summer. So they launched this new collection, and I just thought that it was so cute, especially the pop of yellow. Well, it's not really a pop of yellow, like the whole luggage is yellow. So it's like a fun piece. I'm like sweating so much, it's so hot. This is the little luggage. I think this is like the medium size. It's definitely a lot bigger than their carry-on and not as big as their like big, you know, luggage. So yeah, this is such a good size for like weekends. Comes with this canvas tote, which is just so handy, and you can slide it in this way, like you can slide it on there so you don't have to carry it, which is absolutely genius. Like this is actually would fit in a lot of clothes, a lot of items. And then but inside the canvas tote also comes with like a canvas like wash bag, which is so handy as well. You can keep all like your travel stuff in there, or like your toiletries. A cute little set. You can just imagine me walking along the airport, or like in Portofino with my little yellow suitcase. Thank you so much Away for gifting me that. I cannot wait to use it on my next trip. I nearly cleared up this area, just like the beauty stuff here, but I will get to that in a little bit. I'm actually going to move on to my sunglasses storage now. So I actually got these like boxes, drawers, like stackable ones, from Amazon, and I was going to order more, but I have a feeling that they sold out, which is really annoying. But yeah, we're just gonna organize them. So I've put them all in a pile, and yes, it looks like there's a lot of sunglasses. To be honest, this is not all of my sunnies. I actually have a few more downstairs in a drawer where it's like near my door, so like if I'm on the way out I can just grab a pair. And I think Ollie has a few of mine, and yeah, there's just some like dotted around the house. But yeah, this is what we're gonna sort out today. So yeah, this space, I can't obviously like have all of these boxes on display. I usually stack 4 of these together. The 2 that go behind are pretty much the ones that I don't wear as much, so that is what we're gonna do first, and then we'll move on to like the main display. Oh. Sorry, quick break. I have to go and make myself an iced coffee because it's just too hot. Like, that glow is just sweat. So I just made myself a lovely iced oat latte with a dolce something syrup. Oh, so much better. I definitely put like a lot of syrup in there though, so it's a little bit too sweet, but okay, let's carry on. Okay, sunglasses are done. They are all in there. Well, not all, but you know what I mean. Yeah. Oh, that took a little bit longer than I thought, but all done now. Bags are organised. I've put them back in there. This one's probably the odd one out, but oh well. I really like the little pop of white in there. Okay, I'm gonna tackle a little bit of the beauty things that I have accumulated. Yeah, there's a lot. There's, I think, some in like that cupboard. There's obviously loads in here, which I'm not even gonna bother with today because it's just a lot. And obviously the drawers are broken, so he's back. You right, buddy? Yeah. So I've had this bag sitting here in my room now for probably like a month. I was meant to go through it because these are usually like the doubles of what I get sent, or they are not in my right shade and stuff like that. So I thought, what I'm gonna do, I have 2 boxes here. So I have 2 empty boxes. I thought I would put together a little care package for you guys as like a mini giveaway. I have not done a giveaway in a while, so yeah, I thought this would be fun. I am just gonna pick some random bits, fill out the boxes, and yeah, let's do a little giveaway. Okay, so these are the boxes that I've put together. They are mostly skincare, but I've thrown in a little bit of makeup in there as well. Yeah, so these are some of my favorite products. I've got in an SPF in this one, a little eye tint shimmer. These masks from Garnier are absolutely amazing. Got some Batiste products in there, Colourpop, perfume, oops. Little Body Shop hand cream, got more Batiste in here, got some Sunday shower foam, which is amazing, more like CeraVe stuff. We got some La Roche-Posay SPF in there, little eye mask, like such a cute little care package. So yeah, if you guys want to win one of those, just head to the description box and all the info will be there on how you guys could win it. Okay, so I'm not gonna sort out the beauty stuff today because it's actually gonna do my head in that I don't have like the boxes to organize them into. So that is what I am gonna do now. I'm gonna order it off Amazon. I think I found the boxes, like good size boxes that I can use. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do these ones. I'm going with the medium sized. I'm gonna go with grey because white is out of stock. And yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, actually I just found these are a lot cheaper. I think it's just because it's not like in a jute material. This is like actual plastic. I think same size pretty much, and I get 4 in white, which is what I wanted. And yeah, I'm gonna go for these, I think. Okay, so the boxes are going to arrive tomorrow, which means I am going to do a part 2 of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the first part. Oh yes, before I go, let me show you guys the garden currently. So before I show you guys, this is actually what the garden looked like before. I'm going to put a few images and stuff here. It was fine, but obviously like overgrown, and we just wanted something like new and fresh, and also that is going to be like very minimal maintenance. And this is this is where we're currently at. So we decided to rip everything out and start fresh. We cut out all the bushes at the back, put in a new fence, new patio, new slabs, ripped out all the grass and put new turf in. And yeah, it just makes it look so much bigger. We extended the patio out a little bit. We've created a little barbecue area to the left next to the shed. And then yeah, just kind of extend the patio, and then in this area we're just having like a few little steps and creating space for the bins. That is what my garden looks like currently, and I'm so excited for it to be finished. I think they said sometime like middle of next week it should be done. So yeah, I'm very excited. Of course I will do like a full garden reveal when it's all done and like decorated and all finished. So yeah, I will see you guys for part 2 very soon. It's probably going to be more beauty products focused, like organizing my beauty products. Yeah, I will see you guys very soon. Bye guys.